All right, are you Gerard Randall?
Yes, ma'am.
And so did I just reset it, or did I?
Aye.
What?
So in August, Your Honor, he pled true, and I think at that time we were looking at ISF as our agreement when it was reset for an updated report. Then we discovered he had two new misdemeanors that occurred in August. And so I
Right.
filed a first amended motion October 22nd.
Okay,
So
but we need to go through
We need to
that.
be pleased to that, and then we have an agreement if the court's okay with it.
Okay. All right. Will you waive the formal reading of the motion?
He will, Your Honor.
Mr. Randall, in clause number 24, DCCR 0543, I have a first amended motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. And we're going to start kind of all over. I know we've gone through some of this, but we're going to get pleas of true or not true again on all of them.
And Your Honor, with your permission, we've agreed to plead a 1, 2, 3, and then the amended counts of 10 and 11, which cover the several new offenses, all
Right.
misdemeanors, but
Thank you. So it shows you were placed on probation October 7th of 2024 for aggravated robbery, and that was a 5-year deferred probation. Is that correct? The state's elected to proceed on counts 1, 2, 3, 10, and 11. Count 1 alleges that you violated your probation by committing the new offense of unlawful carrying a weapon May 3rd of 2025. And is that true or not true?
true.
Count 2 alleges that you committed the new offense of evading arrest or detention May 3rd of 2025. And is that true or not true?
True.
Count 3 alleges that you possessed a drug, marijuana, May 3rd of 2025. And is that true or not true?
True.
Count 10 alleges that you committed the offense of unlawful carrying a weapon July 13th of 2025. And is that true or not true?
True.
And then count 11 alleges that you committed the offense of evading arrest or detention July 13th of 2025. And is that true or not true?
True.
Did you enter your pleas of true to counts 1, 2, 3, 10, and 11 freely and voluntarily? And did you plead true to those counts because they're all actually true? I have paperwork now, again, on the case here that has your signature on it that the state's marked as exhibit number 1. Before you sign these, did you go over them with Mr. Rojas?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you will be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
State tenders number 1.
No objection.
It's admitted. Any evidence that Mr. Randall's not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, sir, I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 1, 2, 3, 10, and 11 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time, find you guilty of the offense of robbery, aggravated robbery. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 8 years in the institution.
Judge, I feel like we may have originally pled him to the lesser.
I think we did lesser
robbery.
included.
Let me double check. And it may be because he's one of several co-defendants in that case, and I know at least one of them was pled to the lesser.
I have that we did plead him to a lesser included robbery back in August of '24.
That's correct, Judge. I'm looking at the PSI.
Let me double check with the paperwork, though. Hold on just a second. Can you pull up the original? Well, never mind. It'll probably be in here. Never mind. Hold on.
It was pled down to judge robbery.
Okay. Does the state want to?
Yes, Your Honor, I'd ask that I be allowed to amend the motion to take out aggravated and reflect the original.
Any objection to that?
No objection.
So I'm going to go back, and just to make sure the record's clear, what you're on probation for is the lesser included offense of the second degree felony offense of robbery. So it's not aggravated, it's the second degree felony. And I'm going to make that modification amendment here on the motion with, let's see. can figure out how to get all this done. Okay, so that being said, I'm going to find you guilty based on the pleas of true to counts 1, 2, 3, 10, and 11. Find you guilty of the offense of robbery. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 8 years in the Institutional Division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. I have also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. Firearm is a legal term, and you should read that written admonishment I provided you to see what devices qualify as a firearm. If you have questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk with Mr. Rojas. All right, good luck to you, sir. You can go back with the bailiff.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And just like that,
What begins as a routine probation revocation hearing quickly escalates after the defendant admits to multiple violations, including new weapons, drug, and evading arrest offenses committed while on probation. As the proceedings unfold, the court corrects the record to reflect the defendant's original conviction before accepting his admissions and moving to sentencing. With a plea agreement leaving no right to appeal, the judge imposes an 8-year prison sentence, bringing the case to a decisive conclusion.